On the streets of Ho Municipal, we find out from residents their take on the scrapping of E-Levy and other taxes by the Mahama administration. This is Sandra Obribia's report.
From initially, he stated that when he is elected, he's going to take some of the taxes off. And so far, that's what he has been doing. The E-Levy is gone, the emission tax is gone, the betting tax is also gone. So I think he's on the right course. He's fulfilling his promises. Especially the E-Levy. So I tried sending some money. I was not delighted that the E-Levy tax.
So far, I'll say Mahama is doing well in his administrations. And I'm also happy about the scrapping of the E-Levy. But for me, the betting tax, I think the betting tax should be there. Because of betting, our youths are no more active in doing anything. Because when they get some coins, they go and bet and they win. They don't want to do anything. That's why now you see agricultural sector is going down. The youth are not ready to work. They don't do anything. So if they get small money, they sit under the trees and then they engage themselves in the drug abuse, trauma, and read 225 and all of those things. So me, I think for the E-Levy, it's perfect, it's a good idea, and his administration is doing well. You should keep it up and then remove all the corruption and other people who are drawing the country down. Yeah.
Actually speaking, this government is trying, and if it continues like this, we'll see Ghana go forward. Like Ghana will be a better country. It's because the E-Levy that has been removed is helping us a lot. Because when you play too odd, the money will go straight to your account. Not that the government will tear some and this one. So this one, it will help us all.
I'm so happy about this that it's finally gone, because there are a lot of charges when you deposit or you want to withdraw your money, sending from your own system money to a different venture. E-Levy that it's more than what you expect when you are sending a little amount with the government taxes being added. So I'm happy about it that it's going to happen. The customers are also feeling good about it. Although most of them haven't mostly understand the E-Levy being taken off, because they are thinking it's also part of the MTN automatic charging. So they are now getting more and more knowing about it, that the automatic charges are also there, but the E-Levy charges are what government have been taking off. For his first 60 days, he has fulfilled the promise he made to Ghanaians, and they are all happy about it. So he's doing a good job.
So far, so good. I think all the promises he made to do in about 100 days, he has fulfilled them. Talking about the E-Levy, the betting tax, and some of the nuisance taxes that he said he was going to abolish. He has done them. It shows that all the other promises that he says he will, I'm very sure and have the hope that he will do it. So that is what I can say. We've suffered for a long time, 8 years. From the time they were debating all these E-Levies till now, and somebody comes and says, I want to take it off, for you not to pay anything. The boys on the street too, the betting tax, taking off and all this. I think it's good. It's all good. So we hope for the better.
I'm very happy. I'm very happy for these 3 months. His work done and very okay. And we are just hoping for the best. Whatever he just anything.
Residents of Ho applaud Mahama's government for fulfilling their promises by scrapping E-Levy and other taxes. For GhanaWeb TV, Sandra Obribia.